Today I'm going to show you how to remove noise from your audio in CapCut. So you've got a video and the audio is a bit noisy. Today I'm going to show you how to compare. Sounds a bit weird, right? Maybe you've got some background noise, maybe you've got some stuff going on in the background, or maybe just the audio quality itself is not very good. So what we're going to do here is you're going to click on your clip. At the top you'll see video, audio, speed. Of course we're going into audio, and from basic you will now see a few options. Now let's just say, for example, this is what our audio sounds like originally. Today I'm going to show you how to compare. So what I've already done is I've increased the volume over here so that it sounds louder. Multiple symbols. But what it's doing is it increases the volume of the voice, but also the background noise. So what we're going to do here is we can normalize loudness. We can also enhance the audio. And if you put your cursor just over here on this icon, it tells you exactly what it does. So it removes echoes, popping sounds, mouth clicks, and any other noises, and it enhances the voice to studio quality. So it has intensity levels, because if you put it on too high, you might remove some part of the voice that you don't want to remove. So let's hear what that sounds like. Today I'm going to show you how to compare multiple symbols on TradingView. Today I'm going to show you how to compare multiple symbols. So there is a slight difference. That's great. We can also go down over here and use the reduce noise icon. So let's go ahead. We're going to use that. Today I'm going to show you how to compare multiple. Okay, and then we've got the isolate voice. Now when you isolate a voice, if you have background noise, you're able to keep the vocal, or if you want to remove the vocal, you can actually do that. You can also, while this is rendering, okay, let's just hear what that sounds like. Today I'm going to show you how to compare Alright, then we've got the fill channel. Now if you've used a device that has two channels, let's say your phone has a left microphone and a right microphone, and now all you're hearing is either the left or the right. Well, you can actually fill. Today I'm going to show you how to compare multiple symbols on TradingView. Like this. If you would need to fill one channel like with the other channel. So here we go. Here are all the ways that you can actually change the audio and clean up the voice quality in your videos.